just showed up again after a long ass time. What do you got? Reflectors? You got the reflectors? He's got a new plate too. That looks nice. Like that, we were helping him in the beginning. And so walk around, like that mod. It's nice. Just got it detailed too, so it looks perfectly clean. Yeah guys, if you want to help him out, support him, that's his IG right there. Let me get a closer look again. There you have it. And YouTube as well, nice. Yeah, so with the chrome delete, got the visors, got the tints. Yo, what percentage? What percentage tints?
I got 25 on the sides and then 30 in the front.
That's 25 and 30 in the front. So that's how it looks, guys. See a little bit. That's 25. What? Then I think he got 35 here, I think. The front. And yeah, it looks great. He's got the reflective tape on the, what's it called, side mirrors. It's looking great. And he got that. Yeah, the vinyl here. You got the vinyl, the chrome delete, the chrome tape, fog lights, blue, beautiful, looking good. That's the hard part right here. The chrome, yeah, I can tell that shit is small, bro. Yeah, that's the hard part to install. Reflective tape at night is different.
The chrome on the emblem. Oh, I was supposed to
yeah, this side is done.
Oh, you said heat gun? And I didn't have a heat gun.
Vinyl.
I'm thinking of doing
That's how it looks.
Black. Black? Yeah.